Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine and I am your front office lecturer, and today I am going to introduce about the subject front office. Now in hotel what happens is we have 4 main operating subjects or operating departments, and front office is one of the main, okay, and front office is the first and the last point of contact of the customers, where the customers, where we call customers as a guest, goes to the front office to contact, and when the guest arrives they go first straightway to the front office area, okay, and when the guest leaves the hotel they go to the front office section. Now front office has many sections. Today I am going to introduce about only the sections of the front office, okay. So first is reservations. Second is reception. Third is concierge. Fourth is bell desk. Then comes operators, or telephones. So I am going to make you understand about what is reservation first, okay. First, when you go to a hotel you have to reserve for your bookings and all. We have to do this reservation. So reservation is done through many modes. First, when there was no this technology, so people used to reserve the hotel by the letters. Now the technology is advanced, so there are many ways, like you have to do a phone call, you have to reserve it by online, as you guys all know. Then after reservation, when you arrive to the hotel, you first will go to the reception area, okay. So reception, the receptionist, whether it is a girl or a boy, they make sure that yes, your booking is done and they escort you to your room, okay. Then the concierge is the area or the section which deals with travel related questions. When the guest is there, they want to go travel to the city, or if the guest is leaving the hotel, he wants to travel to another place, so concierge helps, okay. Or in the concierge there are many people such as guest relation executive, they guide you. Then comes the bell desk, okay. Now bell desk, it deals with your the section deals with the luggage section, okay. When the guest arrives, what happens? The luggage is being taken to the reception area, and from there they take you to your rooms, okay. Then the operators or the telephones, it is the section where the telephonic activities happens, like the in-house guest who is in the house or whoever calls, the operator deals, okay. First they pick up the call, and when you want to talk with any other section, any other departments, they direct your call to that department or that management area or that people, okay. Now other sections of front office are lobby, cashiers, night auditors, and comes business center. Now lobby means the area where the guest comes and they come and sit. We welcome them with welcome drinks, okay. They sit there, we follow the registration process and all, and it is actually the area where everything is there, like the furniture is kept, the decor is very good, okay. And another comes cashiers, as the name suggests, it deals with all the money things, okay. When you pay the bill or settling anything related with money is dealt with the cashier sections. Night auditors, this section deals with the night time, whoever is in the night duty, then the night auditors deals with those sections or the people, okay. And lastly comes business center. Business center is the place where many meetings, when delegate meetings are there. Also there are many things of the local area. The hotel sells the things there in the business area, and mainly the delegate meetings and all happens in this business center area. So these are mainly the section I wanted to make you understand how many sections are there in the hotel, okay, in the front office department. So in other classes I will slowly and I will discuss about it. So today we are going to learn about the functions of front office. As I told earlier, front office is the front side of the hotel industry, and hotel, they have operational departments and management departments. So front office is one of the operational department of the hotel industry. So we will learn today what are the operational functions of front office, okay? Front office is called as FO shortcut, okay, so we also say FO or FOM, front office manager, in that way. So first function of front office is guest registration. So what is guest registration? This means when a guest comes to a hotel, they have to register themselves, okay, to stay in the hotel. They register the room, pre-booking, which is said. So this is done by the front office staff, okay. And number 2 is guest service. Guest service means anything related to the guest service. Now what happens? The contact and communication between the front office employees and the guest is direct, okay. So whatever they need, they come and contact with the front office employees only, okay. So that's why number 2 is guest service. Number 3 is guest history and records. So what happens is, once the guest comes to a hotel, it is also there that the guest comes again and again to that hotel. So in that case, the front office employees has to maintain the guest history and records. Like if the guest comes to the second time, generally what happens, the front office employees directly address them by their name, like Mr. and Mrs. so and so, in that way. So in that way what happens, the relation between the guest and the hotel is very good, okay. So in the future also the guests will come, and when they like the service, they again and again come to that hotel. So the one of the important function of front office is to maintain the guest history and records, okay. Number 4 is update room status. Update room status means to update the status as if the room is vacant or occupied. This means if there is no guest in the hotel, then the room is called vacant, okay. And if there is the guest in the room, then the room is called occupied, okay. So it is very necessary to update the room status, whether that is occupied or not, so that the other employees know when to sell the room, okay. And if there is occupied, then we can't. And also the guest has to make the employees know in the ahead that we are going to stay for this long, so that they again can sell the room, resell the room to other guests, okay. So this is very important function. Number 5 is to do the reservation. Now this function I have already told, there is a section called reservations. So those employees, they take care of this reservation where they reserve the room for the guest, okay. They keep it so that other guest, it is not taken by other guests. So reservation is one of another function. Number 6 is to maintain the telephones. As I told you, there is a section called operators or telephones in the front office. So the employees, they take care of the telephonic conversation, like whoever calls from the room directly to the manager, if they want to speak with other department, if they want to do room service, if they want to order something, okay. So the telephones come to that function, okay. Then comes Postage and parcel. Now what does this mean? So sometimes what happens, some people they send some postage, they send some parcel, courier to the guest to their room directly. So this is also handled by the front office department, and they call to that guest, okay, directly to their room that Mr. So and so, your parcel has been received, or your postage, your letter has been received. So this information is also provided by the front office department staff. Okay. Number 8 comes the maintain the guest database. When a guest registered himself or herself to the hotel, we as a guest, we as the employees, we have to maintain their guest database. Like we have to take their ID, okay, anything related which shows that that person is that person. So voter's ID card, passport, anything, all these things has to be maintained by the front office department staff. Okay, otherwise there will be problems. We will discuss about this in a very after when we go to another sections of the chapter. Okay. Number 9 comes as finance and foreign exchange. So when the cashier department, the section of cashier is there in the front office, so the employees has to maintain all the finances and also the foreign exchange. Now what happens in a hotel, also the foreign other countries guests also come, so they have another currency of their own country. So even the foreign exchange is done by the front office department staff. Okay, so this is also one of the function. Another is number 10. Enquiry. Now what is enquiry? As the name suggests, if the guest has any enquiry, anything related to where is this another restaurant in the hotel, okay, what happened, where is that, anything related to the city, they want to know anything, then they contact the front office department staff. Okay. Now another is bell desk and concierge. Now what does this mean? Like I already told that bell desk is the section of the front office department which takes care of the luggage, or which takes care to escort the guest. Escort means to take the guest from the lobby area to their room, direct them, okay, to take their luggage. So this section is dealt with the bell desk section of the front office. Concierge, as it is the French term which means that the guest enquiries about the travel and tourism, whatever the enquiry is there that I want to visit to that place. So those things are dealt with the concierge section of the front office department. So to become a front office employee, what is needed is, as in the hotel industry we say that guest is God and guest is always right. So whenever the guest has any demand, anything, any different customized demand, that demand is taken care by the front office department people. And front office people, they have to be very look wise, they have to be very smart, clean, well groomed, okay, they have to greet the guest with a smile, they have to welcome the guest, they have to make the guest very comfortable. So in that way a front office employee has to be very pleasing personality, welcoming, okay, they shouldn't be introvert kind of person. They have to have knowledge about the hotel fully, they have to have knowledge about the all the area wherever the hotel is situated, so that if the guest want to know anything about it, so the front office employee is always ready for that. Okay, so thank you for today, that the information I have given, please go through it. We will discuss about it more and more later. Thank you.